Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. Today we will solve the 8th question of June challenge of leetcode. So the question is power of 2. What we have to do is we have to find out the number which is given. Suppose in first case we have given 1. It can be represented as 2 to the power something. So in this case we can represent it by 2 to the power 0. Suppose it is 16, then how we can represent it? 2 to the power 4. If it is 128, we can also represent this by 2 to the power 7. So using this we have to find the value which is given is 2 to the power something or not. So we will solve this. So what we have to do is we have to check that the value n can be represented by 2 to the power something. So how we can do this? So we got the correct answer. Now I'll describe what I have coded. So first of all, I have iterated this. What I am trying to do is I am checking all 2 to the power 0 to 2 to the power 64. First question arises that why you are checking, because in this range or every integer exists. So if any of the value of n will be equals to something 2 to the power something, then it will lie in this range. So I am just checking 2 to the power I, and I will iterate from 0 to 64. So just I am checking that I am iterating from 0 to 64, and for every I am checking that 2 to the power I is n or not. If it is n, then I am returning true, and if none of the value till 2 to the power 64 is true, then I am returning false. Thank you guys. For more such content, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.